Somali.
Somali.
Forget.
Forget. Hello. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Yvonne, and today I have guests here with me. It's been long. We've been chatting with this guy. I knew him through his brother, and at least today I got this chance to meet him in person. So he has a YouTube channel also. Let him introduce himself to you guys and tell you how his channel is called. So welcome.
Thank you, my sister. First of all, my name is Abrahman Dukate Madi, and my YouTube channel is Madi Media Channel. We have also our friends here. He will introduce himself. I'm saying that people, you should share this video and subscribe also, and thumbs up.
Yes.
Comment below everything.
Yeah.
Today we are here with our sister Yvonne.
Yeah.
So with the Lee. That's it.
Yeah.
We are just waiting.
Okay. Welcome to Yvonne. My name is Lee Life Media. waxaan leeyahay asxaabta kule aniga Soomaaliya ku hadla laakiin ninkaas aniga sira English waa aloha laakiin inuu kalba ka xisay.
I think it is an interesting video today because you people, they have never seen people, those who are speaking Somali language in your channel.
Yes.
So that today I think your people will be happy.
Yes.
I'm also Somalian. And I have my sister here in Somalia, and Lee Life also. But Lee Life was saying that his name is Lee Life. Also, he has channel called Lee Life Media. We live together here in Somalia.
Yeah. So.
Thanks, brother. My brother.
Welcome. So I'm really happy that he agreed to meet me today, and at least he agreed also to shoot this video with me. At the moment, I'm at Jawara Hotel.
The best hotel in Mogadishu.
For real, it's the best hotel. You should come and visit this place. They have a restaurant and they also have a cave place here, so you can come and have your coffee, everything, enjoy. Like right now, I'm having a strawberry mojito.
Yes, I was having lemon juice, orange juice.
Make sure you come here.
Yeah.
Make sure you get yourself this strawberry mojito. It's nice, wala.
So nice, wala. So nice.
And by the way, I'm trying to learn Somali.
Yeah.
At least I know. Yes, they are trying to teach me Somali.
Yeah.
So there are some words I can speak Somali a little bit.
You are going to teach us Kiswahili.
Yes, Kiswahili, mostly Kiswahili.
Yeah, and you know also another language. I don't know that.
Luo.
Local language.
Luo. My local language is
Luo.
Yes.
Luo.
Yes.
So there is another tribe called Luo in Uganda.
Yeah. No. Luo is in the Kisumu side, Nyanza.
Okay.
It's called Nyanza province. Yeah. All are Luos.
Kisumu عاصمة الوطن.
The tribe I'm telling you is Jaluo.
Jaluo. Yes, that's me.
Oh.
Yes, I'm Luo. I'm Jaluo.
Also they have, in Uganda they have.
So today I'll teach this guy. I'll try and teach him Swahili language. So I'll say like, acha niongee Kiswahili.
Yes.
Sasa kitaka kusema hii ni kikombe. Hii ni kikombe. Then zikiwa mbili when there are two, vikombe like 2, 3, 4 vikombe.
Kikombe alasura.
Tea, you know, like tea. Sha Somali. Sha. Swahili unasema chai.
Unasema chai.
Chai.
Unasema chai.
Chai. My cup sha.
Chai. So kama kuna chai hapa unasema kikombe cha chai. Kikombe cha chai.
Cup chai.
Kikombe cha chai.
Kikombe cha chai.
Bio, water, like water is maji.
Maji. Bio, maji.
Maji.
Lakini kwa nini watu wengine wanasemanga nani maji? Maji.
I think ina depend na tribe ya mtu. Kuna wenye unapata maybe ulimi yao ni mzito. Yeah, but inafaa kukua maji.
Yeah. Nimeona mimi kuna watu wengi ambao wanasema maji. Lakini watu wengine walikuwa wanasemanga pronounce
maji.
Lakini maji.
Oh, sijui. I think nitaenda nisikie kwanza kwa mtu, but mimi najua ni maji. Like if you want to say help me with water, like maybe nisaidie maji. Yeah.
Yeah, markii aad artina waa biyo. Nisaidie maji.
Nisaidie maji.
Si waa biyo.
Hadi waxa mashquul sana
baro. Ma fahmo baro ya.
So something like this one, knife. We have a knife here. Ini kisu. Kisu, just kisu.
Alafu tortu
fork, uma. Ini uma. Fork. Yes. So Somali. Forget. Then hii yenye iko hapa hii ni meza.
Fargeto.
Kisu.
Mindi. Okay, Swahili kisu.
Somali mindi.
Sio Kasumo, kisu.
Mindi wemea.
Then hii kiti. Kiti hii hapa.
Kiti.
So kamo.
Marahaba.
Excuse me.
Yeah, so and we have this
we have
table.
This table.
This one. Meza.
Yes.
Yeah.
Somali miss.
Okay.
Somali.
We have good challenge today, guys.
We are learning. I'm learning Somali.
And
we are teaching him Swahili.
Yeah.
Also, we are learning. This one is perfect. So
any comment, then we are waiting.
Yeah. By the way, leave a comment down below.
Yes.
This is my first. By the way, this is my first ever collabo. I've never collaborated with any YouTuber. Yes.
Then YouTuber.
Is it your first time collaborating?
Yeah.
Have you collaborated with another YouTuber?
No.
Guys, can you imagine? This is my first ever collaboration.
Yes.
And my first YouTuber to collabo with is from
Mogadishu, Somalia.
Can you imagine? Yeah, so make sure you leave a comment down below. Give this video a thumbs up. You can comment. Yeah.
Which and where is hotels?
Yes.
Jawhara.
By the Somalis, please comment down below.
Yes.
The hotels you want me to visit, because most of the time I'll be doing restaurant reviews. So make sure you comment down below. Tell me the nice hotels that you know.
Then we will go.
Yes, we'll go and visit because from now on.
She will call me.
Yes.
I'll take her and I'll tell her this is the hotel they want.
Yeah, this guy will be my cameraman now.
Yes.
Cameraman and me camera woman.
Yes, camera woman, yeah.
Yes.
Cameraman woman. Cameraman dumar.
Cameraman also.
Yes.
Lee.
We'll have to be like this, the three of us.
Yeah.
So most of the time you'll be seeing us.
Friday?
Yes. Actually,
let us do program now in front of the people.
Yeah.
You people.
Yes.
Yeah.
So we'll be doing this every Friday.
Please subscribe.
Yes. Fridays.
Be ready every Friday 3 afternoon. Then we'll be different place, not only here.
Yeah.
Yeah. Adi gane?
أنا في صوماليا وكلموه. أصحابته إيفون حليها هاي. Welcome Busho. Welcome back مركليتو. إن شاء الله وحركة دونتين مقالة فرح بدن ماشي عندي مقالة فرح بدن. Somali وقلنا لكن ساعد كي speak English ninkana
He's
ingiliiska
saying I'm
iyo
speaking
sabaaxi
Somalia, but he will. I'll do translation. This guy was saying that welcome to Somalia, Ivan, and we are going to show your people that
maadaama
good videos.
1 year is
Yeah, you are here 1 year, and you didn't meet any Somali people. You met with a Somali YouTuber. It is your first time and our first time. We'll work together like this every day. That's what he's saying. Not here, so many different places.
Yeah. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to go and subscribe to this
My channel, please.
Guys channel.
I know you guys, you don't know Somali language, but I think little bit you are going to enjoy.
Yeah, you will enjoy.
Yeah.
You will enjoy.
Sometimes
also.
you see when I'm cooking ugali in my channel. Sometimes you see when I'm just eating together with him. You see we have so many challenges. We do always challenge eating.
challenge ugali.
Yeah. Then
Yeah,
you will
next
see-
we'll be doing challenge. Eating ugali and omena.
Yeah.
And nyama choma,
Nyama
kachumbari.
Yeah. We are going
Yes.
to buy so many things and do. She will cook.
Yes, I will cook.
She will cook and will be also there and we'll start eating. You will see, guys.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So thank you guys for watching. Don't
Please.
forget to subscribe,
Please.
like,
Yeah.
and comment down below. Till next time. Bye bye.